The kind of person that typically does well here is the kind of person that typically likes working in a team environment, because all parts of the company are interrelated. Everybody has to be successful and hardworking in order for everybody else to be successful.
Hi, my name is Steve Goldsmith. I am President and CEO of Wearwell. I've worked at the company now for 25 years. We really help other companies be successful. What we do is we sell manning, safety, and safety products so that other companies can be more productive, their employees can be safer and happier. That is what our mission is.
I like the team feel that you get working here. Some of the teammates feel more like family at this point. We have a lot of good employees, a good team atmosphere, and a lot of people that just like to get the job done. And it's very helpful to have such a cooperative team environment.
I think there's a really big opportunity to kind of grow into a role that you're interested in. You can try a bunch of different things, wear a lot of different hats, which I think gives you, a good look into the business, and then, while expanding your own skill set, which I think is really cool.
Wearwell employees have access to a comprehensive benefits package. Wearwell offers medical, dental, and vision coverage, up to 80 hours of vacation, and 40 hours of PTO on your first year service anniversary. 9 company-paid holidays, 401k and Roth retirement plans with a generous company match, team member referral rewards, tuition reimbursement for full-time and part-time employees. Come see what Wearwell has to offer you.